Right, lottery theory video. And we'll try and make it as coherent as I possibly can. Because there's so many different ways that the lottery connects between the normal lottery, the Euro Millions, and the Thunderball. The normal lottery and the Euro Millions and the Thunderball, they connect. It's not random. Now I've done quite a few videos now on the lottery, and I'm too close to be guessing. Now, how is it possible to be so close yet it be completely random? And in my opinion, it can't be random. It's got to be controlled. Part of this reality, the Matrix simulation. Now, when we think about simulation and Matrix, most people don't care about it. To be honest, most people, they've got their own interests. They don't care of what the world's about, if there's a God or if there's not a God. We all have his own interest in life, don't we? People might believe in God, other people believe in evolution, science. People might believe in the spaghetti monster, the fairies at the bottom of the garden. People like to watch reality TV shows, The Only Way is Essex. People like to watch MMA boxing, boxing in general, sports, football, simulation theory of the Matrix. It's a matter of interest. We're not here to work out what this world is. I personally believe it's a highly advanced computer simulation, but no one's here to prove what it is. You know, the purpose and the mechanisms of life are two different things, aren't they? The mechanisms and the purpose are two separate things. So the mechanisms behind this world and the physics behind it, it might be a highly advanced, augmented reality, but it's not why we're here, is it? It's just the physics. It's how we're structured. It's the construct of this reality, but it's not why we're not here to decode the system, are we? So I do think that all numbers connect, and that we're governed by numbers, and it's all computer code, binary code, bits, and all that kind of megabyte stuff. Just on a scale that we're not intelligent to understand, are we? We're limited by his understanding. Anyway, these here are the Euro Million numbers. These here are the Thunderball numbers. So there are the Thunderball numbers. Here are the normal lottery numbers. So these are the normal lottery numbers. And these here are the Euro Millions. Now these here are numbers after each draw. These, that's Tuesday's draw basically. You can work the numbers out by using the sequence of numbers in each draw. So this is Tuesday, the 30th of April. The first number was 5. Then I've taken the second number, I've minused. I'm finishing at the 48. So that's the first number. Then I've taken the second number, I've minused it, got a number. Then I've taken the second number minus the third, got a number, and so on till the fifth number, 48, and it gives you a total value. It gives you a total value. Now you can work out numbers for the next draw in I'm using the Thunderball to work out numbers in the normal lottery and the Euro Millions. It's not good odds for the Thunderball. To get 3 main numbers in a Thunderball draw, it's like £20. It's not worth it. So I'm using the Thunderball to predict numbers in the Euros and the normal lottery. But these numbers here, these numbers are the sequence. So that's Tuesday the 9th of April, and that's the sequence of numbers. It gives you a total value, and you can work out numbers in the next draw. These here are the dates of the draw. These are the dates of the draw basically. So this here, that is Tuesday. The 30 there represents Tuesday, 30th of April, and that is Saturday the 27th of April. So that represents Tuesday, that represents Saturday the 27th, that represents Saturday the 27th, that represents Friday the 26th. So I'm working out numbers. I'm working out numbers by the draws of the date. The Euros, and the normal lottery, Euros, Euros, normal lottery, and you can work out the numbers based on the draws of the date. Now I personally believe that 19 and 29 are due out very, very soon. Very, very soon, 19 and 29 are due out in the normal lottery. Now, they could come out tonight. So this is Saturday the 27th draw. Saturday the 27th draw. Now, if you notice here, the third number, 26, comes out in Saturday the 27th. Saturday the 27th, number 26 comes out there. And in Tuesday the 30th of April, 26 comes out in 4th place. In 4th place, number 26. And if you notice the 48 there, it's gone up by one from the 47 there. But the Thunderball draw, let me go to the Thunderball here. I'm trying to explain it as best as I can. It's like here, it's like there in Saturday the 27th Thunderball, you get 26 there in 3rd place. So in the Thunderball, Saturday the 27th, 26 comes out in 3rd place. Now, if you minus 13 from 39, you also get 26. And 26 came out in Saturday the 27th draw. So you'll see now you can't predict a number from the Thunderball on the same day, but you can use the 27th to predict numbers in the Euro Millions being bought on the 30th, and also by the bonus balls. Now 42 could potentially come out tonight, and I say that because of the 5 plus 37. So 42 could be a potential number that could come out tonight. There's so many different ways these numbers could equate from them. There's so many different names. Or 32. 32 is a potential number. 32 could come out. Or the 13. See, I'm looking at this 27th, Saturday the 27th and Tuesday. Now if you notice, in Tuesday the 30th, number 21 came out. In the Thunderball, 21 came out. And in Tuesday's Euro Millions, number 12 came out. So it spanned round the 21 as span round. So you might see 12 or 21 tonight. 12 and 21. But I believe 52 as well. 52 could potentially come out again because of the bonus ball. 13 plus 39 is 52. Now 52 came out in Saturday the 27th, so 52 could come out. You see, 43 could also come out. And again, I honestly believe it's impossible. So I'm not trying to. I'm just doing this purely for my own entertainment, if I'm honest. I'm not even doing this for people to watch. I'm not trying to be clever with this. I've got better things to be doing with time. To be trying to look smart on something that I'm not. I'm not doing it. If you were to believe it, maybe I'm not giving this any credibility. Maybe for the jackpot, maybe that's evidence. Maybe I'm not proved maybe I'm not explaining exactly what I see, so you might think it's a load of cobswallop, a load of poppycock, a load of bullshit, basically. You know, maybe I'm not really giving it any... I mean, I've been very close. I've won 5 times with the idea. The last time I won with 19 and 29 was on the 26th of May last year. Now, I've actually won with this idea, so that's what gives it credit. I'm not just kind of like speaking a lot of bullshit and notes ever come of it. No, I've won 5 times, and I've got a friend who's never had an history of mental health problems. He's not a smoker of cannabis. He's quite with it. He's quite with it, and he can back me up that I've been close so many times, so you can't be guessing this. Now, where we have 53 there, the 10 could minus the 53, so 43 could come out, which will spin round from Saturday's 34. So 43 could come out. But it's a Skullduggery situation, I believe, because 34 could also come out again. And this is a problem. I do find. I do believe that it's best just to put a lucky dip on. It's best just to put a lucky dip on, I think. Well, let me just try and give me some evidence here. I'll give you some overwhelming data. Let me just go to both equations here. Da-da-dee, da-da-dum, da-da-dee, da-da-dum. Right, so this is the 30th of April, and that is the 1st of May. These equations here. Now, what you might see tonight is 31. Because of them numbers there, 31 and 29. But you might see 30 as well. 1 could also come out, but 60 minus 1, you might see 59 tonight. And I'm not trying to write the whole sequence of number down here. You'll see a number. I'm going to make it quick because my voice is irritating me now, to be honest. Now and again, my voice really great, so I mean, I'd rather stick ice picks in my knackers and listen to myself speak. So the 34 might spin round to be 43. The 53 could spin round to be 35. But more than likely, I'm going to commit to this. I'm going to say the number 25 will come out tonight. Number 25, because the 52 could either spin round tonight to be 25. Right, so the 52 could spin around tonight to be 25, or it could also come out again. So the 52, I'm going to pinpoint that number, the 52. So either 25 or 52 will come out again, but quite possibly 51. Quite possible. Now let me just show you what I did earlier, because I'm working on this kind of doing there. There's just so many different ways the numbers equate from, and it's very difficult to pinpoint. 25 I do believe tonight. Where is it? I've got that many fucking books here, I'm not too sure where it is. Right, it's not there, sorry. Tell you what, I'm going to see bloody numbers me soon. I'm going to start decoding this system and seeing physical numbers. Is it in the here it is. Right, basically, just to quickly sum up, because I'm getting my voice is really... I'm either going to quickly sum up, or if you hear a loud bang, I put the phone down and I've lobbed myself through the window. So what I've done here, basically, I've wrote down the entire sequence of numbers for the lottery. So from 1 from 1 to 59. So I've brought the sequence of numbers from number 1 to 59. And what I've done, basically, I've started with the 6 number. So where the number 53 comes out is, where number 53 comes out, and I've put a tick next to each of the numbers that come out. So where 53 is there, I've gone right back to October. You know, and I've looked at it and I think, right, where's the 53 there? There's a 53 there. So then what I've done is the first number there is a 4. So I put a tick against 4. And then the second number is 7. I put 13. No, number 13. And I put a tick and so on, basically. And so on. And then I've done the same with 52. Exactly the same. And I've finished at the last number. Now this is the chart here. These are the ticks. So I say 25 because likely number tonight. 12. I was quite surprised with 12 because 12 came out in was it last night's Euros? 12 came out in last night's Euros, so 12 is the potential number tonight. But also 21. I personally think 21 could come out tonight. That 12 there will spin around to be 21. Where's me notepad? Jumping Great Scots. Oh, there it is. But I do believe, if I'm right, so I wrote it down. I do believe it's nigh impossible, and to be quite honest, I've not give this credit because, well, there's no point, is there? There's no point. It's like I'm talking to myself with this. It's like I've got all these numbers here. I've got all these. Right, I'll speak to you soon. Anyway, that's my predictions for tonight. I'll speak to you soon, friends.